In Photoshop CS6, we added a great new blur gallery that essentially allows people to create different shallow depth of field effects. Here, with all the on-canvas controls, you can manipulate the blur effect directly on canvas without having to jump into any panels. I've added the blur effect to this layer. The problem now is if I want to go back and re-edit this, there's no way to do that, especially if I close the file out. But now, with the new exclusive features for CreativeCloud members, we've added Smart Object support for the blur gallery. We've also added this for Liquify. This means that I can add the effect and always maintain the original file intact. Go ahead and revert this file, and right-click on this layer and convert to Smart Object. And now in my filter menu, I can apply this as a smart filter. I'll go ahead and apply the same iris blur with similar effects. Now you can see here in my Layers panel that I've added this blur gallery effect as a smart filter, which means that I can double-click this blur gallery and get back into it and re-edit the effect. Or I can directly click on this mask and paint in areas of the mask that I want the effect to show or to be hidden. We went a step further even, where we've added the Smart Object support for video layers. Say I have this clip right here, and I may want to add the blur effect to this clip in the middle. I'll select it, and in my Layers panel, right-click, Convert to Smart Object, Filter, Blur, apply the same iris blur. Let's go ahead and bring this woman in the foreground into focus. Adjust the blur edge. Now you can see when I play through the video here, the blur effect is added to the entire clip. So with the addition of both the Blur Gallery and Liquify to the Smart Filter family, the benefits of working in Photoshop are endless, with its native non-destructive filters for your stills and now even your video clips.